Aaron and Sarah.
Hey.
We're at Cunningham. We got bored. Sarah is climbing the roof. Sarah's feet. Who was that?
That was Cody.
How come you know my name? Stop yelling my name! I don't know you!
How you doing, Aaron? How you doing?
I don't know you!
Hey, you!
Stop yelling my name, children!
Take a picture of me.
I don't know your name.
You're taking a picture.
No, I'm not!
Brother.
I'm not taking a picture!
I'm Jimmy's brother. No, you're not.
No, you're not!
I do know that.
Well, I don't even know who Jimmy is. He doesn't come to school.
Yeah, well, I know. I have connections. I have connections.
Who are you?
Dr. Beaver.
Yeah, it is. Go walk down the slide now.
Well, that was interesting. Apparently they have connections.
To what?
To what? I don't know. Now we are walking on the sidewalk and those creepy children are over there in the trees. No, we're just going to keep walking. Me and Sarah are walking. See? We're walking. So, we're walking and walking. And I'm going to cut most of this video out because this is going to be like 6 minutes long. But you know what? It's worth it. There's so many things in here that'll make you laugh.
We just all look like little spy children.
Like little children that think I'm taking a picture of them when I'm really not.
Stupid kids.
Stupid kids. See, they're over there in the trees.
Okay, why are we like looking at the ground?
He said, I love you. I have little admirers. Aww.